Hey guys.
Fingerprints all over my glasses.
Hey guys, it's me, Krislyn, and today we're going to Rock City, and I'm super excited, and we've been in the car for like an hour. There's my dad. Excuse me. And I have a plaid shirt on so that I look like I'm going on a hike or something. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna show you everything, and yeah. Okay, so we're like 16 minutes away from Rock City, and I'm super excited, and I'm gonna take a really cute picture for the gram so that people can just see how beautiful it is. And like, it almost looks like Gatlinburg to me. That's what this reminds me of. I feel like we're going to Gatlinburg again. And if you haven't seen those vlogs, there'll be a link down below. Okay, so we just got here and we pulled in and parked, and now we're about to go pay and then get in. So right now we're walking and we're about to pay to get it. So we got our tickets, and this is what they look like, and we donated $1. So I got this little sign thing, and I put Krislyn was here, so if you ever go to Rock City in Chattanooga, you'll see my name up there on the thing. Yep.
Yep.
It sounded like there's almost a kickback somewhere. Put this in my pocket. Oh, cool.
I feel like I'm in a jungle. It's so quiet. Yes.
Rock with a speaker in it.
There's a rock with a speaker in it.
1823. The guy's picture.
This is crazy. And there is a big old bridge up there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Looks pretty cool. I feel like we're in a jungle, but we're not in a jungle because there's a bunch of rocks.
I'm not too sure what music we're playing here.
I know, it doesn't seem like it goes with the theme. Go. Look up. Look up. And these are the beautiful. Come on, there's somebody chasing us. We made it out. Ew, it's wet. Nature. Okay. Look at all these cool, weird trees. Okay, not as cool as I thought. Hello.
Trail. Put in where we got off the trail.
And we found the note. Can you find all the notes? So we're just talking about how this door thingy, it has 2 doors but no handles. And we're about to go over the bridge thingy, and I'm gonna film it. So yeah. Look how far down it is. There's like the tight space thing. Gnomes Overpass. How far down do you think that is? How far down do you think that is? That's scary. Are you scared? Okay, so now we're going to the Goblin Window. Hold on, there's a lot of people behind us. Touch that for good luck. Are you scared? Hey And we made it out. Okay, so we're going to the Swing Along Bridge. I'm kind of nervous to go to the Swing Along Bridge. There's my dad back there. Dad. And this is just a normal bridge.
Walk over the edge.
I can't walk over the edge.
You sure trip over it.
Okay. So, come on, Dad. Going this way now. Because we're gonna go find this bridge. There's another hole. Scary, right? Are you ready? Look out there! Don't drop the phone. Okay, come on, Dad. Why are you walking so slow?
I'm trying to tape.
That was funny. We can get a really good picture of it over there. Okay, so we can see 7 states right now, and it's really nice. And we're at the Eagle's Nest, apparently. That's what it's called, Eagle's Nest. So, yeah. Okay, so we're going to the Fat Man Squeeze right now. Oh my goodness. It's nothing like the one we went through earlier.
I heard it was haunted.
I didn't.
I heard if that man got in here and got squeezed to death.
Don't fall down.
I'm gonna try not to. Right behind us.
Whoa.
I don't think we're quite there yet, actually.
There's his nose. Kind of scary. Look how pretty this is. And look down there. Pretty cool. We're going up here to the top of this little wooden thingy. And now you can look out. And there's something down there. But it's pretty cool. That is so pretty.
This is where my lake over there.
Okay, so now we're looking at the waterfall. Now we're going to the fairy tale cavern things, bobbers. It's gonna be so cool in there because I see pictures on the internet and it looks colorful, so let's go. Fancy. Go down to Gnome Village. These are the miners, people having a party down here. Whoa, it's all sparkly up there. This looks cool. Yeah. Yeah. This looks so scary, guys. There's the witch and Hansel and Gretel. This is so cool.
I want to get out there so bad. Set up. The 3 minutes.
So we just got done eating and we sat out here so that we can see over the edge, and it's pretty great. And we might go back and look at the waterfall before we leave, but it's been really fun. Say hi, Dad. Okay.
Cool.
So we're looking at the waterfall now, and you can't really see it, but it's over there somewhere. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this. We saw Rock City, so if you ever come to Rock City, you can be like, OMG, Krislyn, cheer legend Krislyn was here.
Just to vlog all over the house. I'm have to vlog and stop.
So we just got done at Rock City and we were there for 4 hours, but we ate and stuff and it was so much fun. And right now we're leaving.
And your daddy took a nap.
Yeah, and my dad took like a 10-minute nap. We were sitting on a bench looking at the waterfall and we got sleepy, so he took a nap and I just watched people climb up the rock wall. And this is the shirt I got. It says See Rock City Lookout Mountain. And then like it shows a picture of the waterfall, and that's exactly what it looks like. And I thought this shirt was super cute, and I really like the turquoise color. Like it's like a green kind
Hey,
of
I'm
color.
like that.
And yeah, and then we got a really nice postcard with our map, because you get a free one whenever you go. So we got this postcard souvenir, and then I'm gonna keep the map in my memory box. Like, if you want to see like how big the park is, like that's how much stuff there is. It was so much fun, and there was food and everything. So yeah, we had fun, and if you ever get the chance to go, I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and to become a legend, like and subscribe. Bye.